Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find the QR code in the Zara app. It's a very simple process and I'm gonna show you how to find it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, log into your account. After you are logged in, you'll see the interface something like this. Now in order to find your QR code, you need to go to your profile section. So here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here you can see several menu options at the top. You can see the purchase section. Tap on purchases. And over here with the blue background, you can see the Zara QR. So tap on it to find the QR code. This is the QR code of your Zara account. And that's it. You've successfully found the Zara QR code of your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.